Liliya WU, who is ecosystem specialist at Arm. She is responsible for supporting Arm software strategy in AIoT field. She carried out technical evangelism work around Arm-based solutions and software tool chains, and collaborated with ecosystem partners such as Baidu, Alibaba, and promote the implementation of Arm-based edge AI technology cooperation. Yep, she's gonna talk about the accelerate Baidu PaddlePaddle edge AI software development with Arm virtual hardware, right? So, yeah, please welcome her with big applause.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Liliya from Arm, and I'm mainly responsible for supporting AIoT related software ecosystem in China. And today I'm going to show you how we accelerate Baidu PaddlePaddle edge AI software development with Arm virtual hardware. And my topic will mainly contain 4 parts, so let's just go directly. And so let's just get started with the background. Recently, when we talk about AI, I think the most popular word will be that generate AI and large language models, but actually machine learning is just deployed everywhere, from the healthcare devices to smart city, industrial applications, and our smart home. So I believe one day we will definitely run the large language models, maybe through very tiny endpoint devices. Let's just go back to see how edge computing is involved during the past years. And first, we just have millions or billions of embedded devices. They are maybe single one, and we emphasize on the connectivity. And currently, machine learning is a basic requirement for such kind of endpoint devices, and tinyML brings the smart intelligence to the very small and smart devices. So what's the key challenges for this tinyML application development? So I will outline 2 major ones. So first will be that the software and hardware alignment issue. So for traditional AI developers, you train your model in the cloud, and your inference happens in the cloud, and maybe there's no much difference. But for the endpoint devices, it's more about the low power and memory limited. So maybe you train a model in the cloud, but you cannot deploy it on your endpoint devices. And also, this also requires you need to do some optimization for the specific devices. And for traditional AI developers, they may lack of such kind of sense, so which will bring a constant loop for this ML ops. And another aspect will be that, so if you don't feed your model with real-world data, and maybe your model will not actually work well in the real-world situation, so that means you may update your model every day. So you will update your software in a very frequent sequence. So it may need a more efficient CI/CD workflow to enable the whole ML ops workflow. Machine learning has always been an important topic for Arm, and Arm is enabling machine learning within 3 focus. And first is our IP profile, and we provide various IP products. And the second will be our software ecosystem. And the third one will be, we also value the developers. So welcome to join our Arm developer program. Let's go back to see the IP product that Arm provides. So we provide a really broadest range of machine learning optimized processor solutions to meet your compute power to cover almost all typical endpoint applications. And we we provide from Cortex-M to Cortex-A. Today, our session will mainly focus on Cortex-M based Cortex-M processors. But if you show any interest in Cortex-A based solutions, just feel free to reach out to me, and I can show you more. For Cortex-M processors, we constantly trying to improve our instruction set, just like starting from Cortex-M 55 processors, we enable the Helium technology, which shows great significance to the machine learning capabilities, and we are just working on constantly to improving our IP processors to make it more impossible to bring the machine learning applications to the endpoint devices. Beyond the products we provide, we also have a very complete machine learning software ecosystem. Right on the left is maybe our basic software stack, and beyond that, we have provide software toolkit and to help you evaluate your software on ARM platforms, and also we provide development tools and also some standards, and we just hope to ensure that you can evaluate, develop, and deploy your machine learning applications on ARM platform very easily. And beyond the software stack we provide, we also have a very powerful software ecosystem. It may include hardware partner, software partner, and also tooling partner. Many of them I believe you already talked with even at this event. And one of our key technology stack we use to run Baidu PaddlePaddle models on ARM Cortex-M platform is just one of among these software ecosystem. We leverage the TVM compiler to compile PaddlePaddle based models, and the backend is our low-level optimized library, and we run it on Cortex-M 55 processor and get it verified through our mature hardware. So let's deep dive more. In this solution, we leverage TVM. It's an open source compiler that can compile multiple high-level machine learning frameworks to make it maybe deployable on specific devices. I'm not sure whether you know Baidu PaddlePaddle. It's a popular framework, machine learning framework, similar to TensorFlow, PyTorch, maybe more popular in China. And we leverage TVM, we contribute to the TVM open source community, and we leverage TVM compiler to compile PaddlePaddle models to run on our Cortex-M 55 processors. And currently, we also support Cortex-A and Ethos U, which is our micro NPU product developed by ARM. You can also you can try. It's all available in GitHub, and you can try it with very low barrier. This is a typical workflow, and let's see a more specific example. This is a code example. So how we compile PaddlePaddle models. It is supported as a TVM front end, and our SemiSyn is our low-level library optimized especially for Cortex-M processors, and so you can select it as the backend. So finally, you can it will automatically generate the code that is able to run on Cortex-M devices. And we verify this is the first time we develop such kind of workflow to run paddle models on Cortex-M directly, and we verify the whole workflow through our ARM virtual hardware. So next session I will show you how ARM virtual hardware can benefit the ML ops workflow. To get started, I want to talk about why virtual hardware is very important to ML ops. So if you have some hands-on machine learning experience, you will know that. I'm not sure whether you will, if you get a mission that you need to adapt your software to a new platform, you have no knowledge for that. But with virtual hardware, it's actually it's something software simulator or something. It's a software application, and you didn't need to worry about you may bury your board, and which maybe have very limited amount. And with virtual hardware, you no need for that. And it can help you save lots of your time. And also, if you want to adapt your software among various platforms, you can just simply change the target to various platforms. It's very easily. And also, if the virtual hardware in the cloud, it can be very easily to scale your development or your test workflow with some maybe CI/CD platform or tools. And also, because it's virtual, there's no worry for you to the board may be overheated, and so there's no maintenance cost. Since virtual hardware is very important, actually it can benefit a lot for the ML ops. And ARM provides two types of virtual hardware to address different requirements. The blue one, this type is mainly focused on ARM Cortex. Focus on our IP processors, and it may be mainly for Cortex-M processors and its some subsystems. And on the left side, the green type is the board level virtual hardware. It is provided via through our SaaS platform, and it's now in public beta state, and you can apply for it. It will have the 30 days free trial, and you can try it very easily. But in today's session, we may focus on the blue one. And the blue one is maybe more focused on our ARM IPs, and it can run on both ARM and x86 servers. Also, this is maybe a standard or typical diagram of what we provide in Baidu Cloud Market. We delivered it to China developers as an image, and in this image, it contains maybe the tools and the virtual hardware targets for you to develop your embedded machine learning applications on ARM-related processors. So this is it runs on ARM-based Ampere server. This is maybe standard offering we have, but if you want to try on virtual hardware, beside cloud image in Baidu Cloud, you also have many multiple ways, like you can try it through GitHub Runner, and you can also try it through our MLOps partners like Nota's Nespresso. You can just try it, maybe see it at their booth. And also currently we are working on to deliver it as a MLOps container. So if you are interested, you can just reach out to me, and I can try to apply some free license for you to evaluate. Let's deep dive more on the key components of the whole image. It may be the fixed virtual platforms. So these FVP models, it is developed alongside our IP processors. So so you can just think it as a completely functional representatives of our ARM's processors, and you can and to better enable our developers to develop machine learning related applications. It supports some virtual preview interfaces, and also we have the related higher level test frameworks for you to for better to enable the ML ops partners to do the algorithm testing with maybe a large amount of data. And this is maybe a typical use cases. And on the above, on the first picture, this is a typical workflow, how we use the cloud-based ARM virtual hardware. And in the right picture, you can see that when you can execute your applications on the our virtual platform, and you can obtain the relative inference results like accuracy, and you can also get some relative performance metrics like instruction count. So and in the below picture, you may see we choose two models from the model zoo that PaddlePaddle provide, and you can run the models at the same time and pick one models that may have better performance that may need your requirements more. So if you look at the second use cases, you will find you can easily integrate it with your CI/CD workflows. You can just realize the whole development workflow, maybe with some automatic CI/CD test script, and so it will be very easily to use it combined with your CI/CD platform or tools. So this is an example of we use GitHub Actions. It's a CI/CD platform provided by GitHub, and you can just use GitHub. This is an example how we use GitHub Actions as the runner to execute the software verification process here, and all you need is just you can verify maybe tens of your models at the same time. You can just start tens of instances to verify it, and all you need to do is just check the final result to see maybe which one you prefer and which one may be failing. This can help you save many of your time, your development time, and now it's already available through GitHub runners directly. If you went to GitHub maybe conference several days before. So that's maybe let's do a short summary. With our virtual hardware, it can help you to access ARM's maybe novel IP processors even before it may be coming to the real chips. You can pre-test it and evaluate your software whether it's possible to run your software on the our new processors. I think this is more important. This is very important to tinyML applications because the memory or the resource is always limited, and with our virtual hardware, it can be very easy to integrate with your CI/CD platform. So you can use it just maybe through some automatic test screens, and also it provides some relative performance metrics, and you can combine it with maybe your NAS or AutoML platform or toolchain. And so if you are interested to be part of our ARM virtual hardware ecosystem, and we just come to me, and I will show you more resources and use cases. And so this is the final slides of my presentation, just to deliver some technical resources. When you get the slide, you can just maybe check and try, and I'm more than happy to support if you have any technical issue or any collaboration ideas, and just feel free to reach out to me. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Liliya.